Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be playing maps, like the custom maps of Bounty. I don't know what it can be, but I think I should take search. I'm gonna take search. I don't know if it's good or it's bad. We'll see if it's good or bad. Let's see. Okay. I have a good feeling about this. Okay, not anymore. Okay, I don't know what is happening. I actually don't know what is happening. Oh my god. Oh, that kill was almost mine. Oh, that was a value kill. That was a value kill. Oh my god. Okay, let's use a super. Yes. Oh, let's use a super again. Oh, just the timing is like bad just by a little bit. Just by a little bit. Okay, we are back. Okay, so this is becoming a base rush kind of right now. Like not base rush, that's in heist. Like whoever keeps on hitting will win. Oh my god, who will win? Okay. We are winning. Okay, we won. That's good. We won. So this one I don't know. I don't like it actually because it's like all the other maps. Same concept. Spring traps, close ranged combat. It's not really different. So yeah. Let's go to the second match. Let's see if we get a better map. I don't know. I don't like these types of maps which don't have any like potential to have fun. It's the normal maps. Okay. That Carl dealt a lot of damage. Oh, I'm trying to hit somebody, but my kills are going. Just being like, hey, hello, I want your kill. Thank you. Oh, the timing just I don't like the timing. Like it's like 1 second delay. Like not even a delay. I could have survived if I had not gone, but yeah, what has been done, it can't be undone. Okay, Pam used her healing turret in the right time. Ooh, but I'm dying in the wrong time. Surge doesn't have that much of range. I think Surge should get a range increase buff. I genuinely think so. Ooh, that bow, that bow, that bow is so low, that bow is so low. If we just kill that bow, we might win. We might win. Just we might win. Okay, okay. I don't think we will. I don't think we will. Oh, we won! Oh, we actually won. That was unexpected, fully unexpected. Okay. So yeah, guys, wait 1 second. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to try a different dollar. Let's see what can we take. What can we take? I don't know. Is Poco good? I don't think so. Okay, let's take a. I have so many brawlers which don't have their gadgets. I can't believe that. 6 out of 6 players. If this is a ranged combat map, what is it? What's it? Oh, one of these maps again. Oh. Okay, it's kind of good, kind of bad at the same time. Oh no 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 no. That was some heavy damage. No 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 no. Byron, Byron, my favorite mythic Byron. How can you do this to me? Byron, this was not expected from me. That's a Gale. Does the Gale have a spring trap or what? We have a Colonel Ruffs. Just want the power up. I just wanted the power up. If I had like Edgar or something, then I would have like jumped and gotten the power up. Okay, let's get the power up. Now let's run away. What? Kinda gave damage, but I went away. Oh, I should have stayed away. Run, 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 run. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. Maybe somebody should get that power up. Somebody should get that power up. Let's go here. Oh, I lost. I died. What kind of a heal was that? We are winning, but if we mess up, we'll lose bad. We'll lose badly. Okay, okay. We have won. We have won. No worries. We have won. Poco is not that bad. Poco is not that bad. Let's see. Okay, this is going to be the last match. I've had experience with lot of bad maps. Most of them are like remakes of the map winners. See. I just told and there's a remake. I just told and there's a remake. Oh my god, that's a fun. The tick is doing what is the tick doing? Oh no. We can't win now. It's literally an endless loop. Because they have the damage booster, and plus if we even break it, they will get it again. Let's see. Oh, okay. What? It couldn't. No, this can't happen. The 8-bit was so low, but the tick couldn't kill it. It was in the box, literally. Like the box, I mean this thing. In the confined space, only one mine and it would die. Okay, whatever happens. We are going to lose this one. Whoever reaches that place first actually wins. that is like the what you have to remember in this map. Wow. What? Idle disconnect. This is the worst thing I've ever experienced. Idle disconnect. They remove it, Supercell. Remove this thing. Idle disconnect is the worst thing. Man. We have lost right now. See. Oh, we were actually really close. We were actually really close. So yeah, we lost, but that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe. And there is no game sound because it was interfering with the normal mic sound a lot. So yeah, bye guys. See you in the next video.